All right, guys, our next break is a 2024 Gold Rush Lightning Hockey 10-box case random 2-hit break, number 1. There is a prize in this break. One of the spots will win this Luke Robitaille JSA certified jersey. You see there the Hall of Fame 09 inscription. All right, let's jump back over here. So we're going to randomize the spots 5 times, then the hits 5 times. Pair those two lists up so that every spot gets 2 hits in the break. After the break, we're going to randomize the spots 5 times again to see who wins the Luke Robitaille autographed jersey. Go over to random.org here. Are the 5 names. Five. Got Marty at the top and the bottom. All right. Come back over here. We're going to get a Yager, 1990 score Canadian, PSA 10. Jaromir Jagr. And we're going to get an Upper Deck Star Rookies, Max Domi, back at 9.5. We've got a Stadium Club charter member, Brett Hall. That card is signed in person, certified authentic by Beckett. Box number 4. Gonna get an 0506 in the game Sidney Crosby series gold, back at 9.5. And our 5th box. We've got a 1981-82 O-Pee-Chee, Billy Smith. An in-person signature, certified authentic by Beckett with a grade of 10 on that signature. Hit number 6. Got a rookie showdown, Sidney Crosby and Alex Ovechkin. There you go. See the Ovechkin there, Crosby there. Next hit. We have a Jack Eichel, Upper Deck Young Guns, PSA 10. Pre-Parky autographs, Howie Meeker, Beckett certified with a 10 grade on the signature. That card is limited to 1,000. Hit number 9. Alright, we'll get it here. Gonna get a Pat LaFontaine autograph trading card. A Hall of Fame, like 05 inscription. Certified authentic by PSA. And our final here is an Alex Ovechkin signed prospect card. Certified authentic by PSA. All right, jump back over here. Top 5, bottom 5. Take those names and find out who wins that jersey. And it's going to go to Richard. So Richard with the jersey here. Let's check out those hits. We had Marty with the Sidney Crosby Beckett 9.5, the Brett Hall signed card, the Billy Smith signed card, and the Yager PSA 10 Score Canadian rookie. Also with the Howie Meeker signed card and the Max Domi rookie BGS 9.5. Shelby with the Pat LaFontaine and Alex Ovechkin PSA DNA certified autographs. And Richard with the Jack Eichel Young Guns PSA 10, the Crosby Ovechkin Rookie Showdown, and the Luke Robitaille jersey. All right, that'll do it for that break. Thanks again, everybody.